Regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygon has equal angles and sides. That means all sides are the same length. Irregular polygon has sides of different sizes and different angles. ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇರ್ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಜಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as equilateral triangle. It is made up of 3 lines, but it is not equal. This is a skeleton. Next, this is all the sides are same length, so it is called as the square. But here it is made up of 4 line segments. All the sides are not equal, so it can be a parallelogram. This is pentagon. It is made up of 5 line segments, and also it is all the sides are same length. Here, although it is made of 5 line segment, but all the sides are not in same length. This is hexagon. It is made up of 6 line segments. All the sides are same length, but the sides are not of same length.